Get into a car with value. 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, dual-zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, traction control. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.